That's very awkward.
Suitable for
my
a
little
chair than
booty
normal.
hardly fits on this. This is not a chair. this is a stool. Rawr. Okay, so
What we got on tap?
unboxing video. We've got some Skullpandas. The feast begins.
Which we haven't cracked yet.
Semi-new.
Yeah.
Semi-new. And I got another one of these. Remember the little bunny from last time that I thought was super, super cute? This one's like super, super cute too, but it's tarot cards, I think, or something like that.
Okay.
And then we got a few pins. We got little Stitch Cupcakes, Loungefly, Nickelodeon Ninja Turtles, and another Lord of the Rings.
Lord of the Rings.
See if we can't pull a one ring to add to the pin set. So, where do you want to start?
You should start with the Stitch pin.
Stitch pin. Here we go. One Stitch pin coming up. They're all really cute. Although, if I had a choice, the one with the pink hibiscus, regular Stitch with the little Elvis guitar would be nice.
Zoom out just a smidge so we can hold it close to the camera.
Let's see who I got.
Who'd you get?
They're all cute.
That's cool.
I got the one I
Ukulele.
wanted. I got the one I wanted. See how pretty?
It's very pretty. Great colors.
Sometimes just the original, the OG, is what you want. Oh gosh, that's so cute. I really like that.
It's nice.
That might have to fit on the pin board somehow. I know the pin board's really
Pinboard
full,
is
but...
full, but we could move some stuff around. All right, so TMNT next. These are comic book based, which crosses a lot of parallels with me.
That one probably. That shows them all equally in the corner
one's
there.
cool.
Or maybe the one with him coming out of the sword. That's pretty iconic, isn't it?
That's a classic scene.
So like bottom right or bottom left?
There's no
or do you
bad
want just
one.
like your favorite one coming forward?
No, I'd take any one. The one with the yellow action call out. It's pretty cool.
Oh, that is cute. That's a lot of detail for such a tiny pin. And it would be interesting to see like how much of that detail is actually in there when you open it up.
Yeah.
Or, like how well it's rendered. Although some of them were done really well. I feel like the Nightmare Before Christmas launch flies tend to be beautiful.
Yeah, they make them pretty well. Pretty well.
Let's see who you got.
That's a pretty one.
Let's see. Oh, I see. So it's like a transfer overlay. So they do get all that detail in there.
That's cool. That's classic.
I like it. Is that going to go on your turtle shelf?
Yeah, turtle shelf.
You'll have to get like some black velvet cardboard or something to put it on.
It's a nice piece.
Very pretty.
I don't think I have any TMNT pins.
Okay, I'll open Lord of the Rings and then you can open Inner Desire.
Yeah.
And then, oh, you guys, do you want to see these up close? Sorry. So we already have from a previous opening, we have the Undertaker Aragorn.
Yes.
I don't know why he looks like a zombie.
Super creepy death.
And we have the amazing action sequence Legolas. Right? Yeah. So it would be really nice to get Gandalf. Sauron I don't really like because he's kind of hard to tell what's going on with him there.
The One Ring.
Or the One Ring would be really nice. I'm not a huge fan of the Gimli. I think it's a little messy.
Yeah.
And for some reason, Frodo looks heck creepy right there.
Yeah, Frodo looks like goth.
Yeah, I don't need creepy Frodo.
Sad Frodo.
Shout out to the Hot Topic employees who are always doing the inventory restocking right in front of the pin shelves, which are hidden under the register counter.
Right.
Makes my job of getting pins very difficult. Yes. And I've manifested a dupe because I was throwing shade. So, there you go.
You gotta just be positive.
We got a doopy dupe. There's a doopy dupe.
The stained glass part is
Dude,
cool.
I've been cleaning so much silver. Look at my poor cuticles.
I know, right?
I gotta like get a little manicure going. But he's still a really cool action dupe.
It's a nice piece.
So we'll make this available for somebody to get. Somebody will need that in their collection. That's actually one of my favorite pins. I just would really like a One Ring though.
Yeah.
So see, it's all tarot cards. It's really tiny, but this is the Hanged Man, Strength. The Emperor is the purple one you've got. The Chariot, the Tower, and the Devil. I'd like the Devil.
And then two shiny secrets.
Yeah, my guess is one's like the Hero Fan.
It's like a, there you go, like an egg.
Yeah, egg carton, milk carton.
Milk carton, yeah, egg carton. It's a weird egg carton.
I really like Lulu Bunny, so from last time, the purple scented bunny we got.
Yes.
I like this line. Who did you pull?
Who's this one? Oh, the one on the right. What's her name?
The Emperor.
You gotta extend the ears.
That's the Emperor. The Tarot Emperor. Oh, the little crown on the head. Oh, the Emperor's actually got a microphone. That's funny. That's really cute. Like a K-pop prince.
Yeah, it smells. It's got some floral.
Oh, that one's different.
Yeah.
That one smells different than Lulu. Lulu's got like a sweeter scent. Yeah. So they all have different smells.
Yeah, that's cool.
I like the white ears though.
They're pretty.
Here, you can hang out with Lou. Oh my gosh, look at all the details.
Dude, they're pretty. They're nice pictures.
I like these. The eyes are gorgeous on here too.
Yeah.
Oh, look at, it's got like a clear acrylic little
dress.
Yeah, I think it's supposed to be like an emperor's robe, like yeah. Very cute.
I can dig it.
Very cute. Okay, you and Lulu can go over here. Here you go. Here you go. Huh. I would have liked the devil though.
Wouldn't we all?
Yeah. Those big old fluffy ears.
Okay. You open one first.
Should we, you don't want to do them at the same time?
We can.
I mean, we don't have to. My giant arm just in the shot. There you go, you guys. You're welcome. It's up to you. We can. Yeah, you want to slow the roll?
Slow the roll.
Slow the roll. Okay. I'll do one.
What's our options?
Yeah. Oof. The options are really tiny.
Yeah, hard to see, but pretty.
The grape
scissors.
The egg cup. The knife rest. The aspic server. The crumb scoop. That one's cute. Sugar tongs is adorable. I will take a sugar tongs. The silver clairol jug. The napkin. That one's adorable too. She looks like a little priestess praying. The dinner knife. The silver fork. Oh, she's stuck up. That's funny. The caddy spoon and the spoon warmer. I mean, they're all really cute. You can't go wrong with this run.
No.
And then there is a secret. I don't know what the secret is because I never looked it up.
I like the silver tongs.
Right? That's what I was saying. The silver tongs are the napkin. You'll have to be nicer to the way you open yours because I ripped mine.
Okay.
In case it's a dupe.
We don't get dupes in this channel.
I'm not going to show the card.
We get uniques.
Let's see what's going on here. It feels big. Is this like a really big series or something? Because this is huge.
Oh, wow. That's pretty.
Which one has blue in it? Is this the silver clairol jug, maybe? There's another part in here.
Yeah, silver clairol jug.
Oh, here's the card, you guys. So, the silver clairol jug. She's gorgeous.
Very pretty.
She's absolutely gorgeous. And let's see what this looks. Oh, this little piece looks like a little bit of extra water or something. Maybe that splashes off on it.
It looks like it was on the right side.
I'm having a hard time opening it up though. Hold on, you guys. I don't want to break it. Oh, the little perforated edge is down at the bottom instead of at the top for some reason. It's down here.
Yeah, this is, I would say this is like a mid-size Skullpanda. The big size are like the ball series. The globe series.
So does it just go like however you want it? Just kind of like a splish splash?
Yeah.
Oh.
The picture like goes down, but yeah.
Oh.
It's pretty. Just like controlling it.
I like this one. Look at all the silver work. Man, these just keep getting fancier and fancier.
It's got some red to it, which I like.
She's beautiful. I did good. This wasn't even one that I was like, caught my eye in the little descriptions, but she's so pretty. Oh, I love that. Okay, your turn.
All right. I mean, do I have
Mine your way.
room over here?
You want me to move her? Here, I'll move her back.
Let's swap a little bit.
Let me get that out of your way.
Should I open from the bottom?
In case it's a dupe, yeah. Oh, and I forgot to show this. These are the pretty little Inner Desire tarot cards.
Man,
they are gorgeous. So pretty.
Definitely well made.
I feel like we're extra muted today because of the rain.
It has been a very rainy day. You're right. I got energy. I'm zipped.
My voice tends to like go tenor down when I'm like tired or it's raining or late at night by candlelight.
It's not a dude, so that's good.
Come on, Tom.
Where are you?
No idea. They're kind of hard to tell because, here, let's see. She is the caddy spoon.
Caddy spoon. What does that mean?
It's like a spoon that hangs off the edge.
Get that. Look at the Coca-Cola color. That's pretty.
Oh, it's like an amber. Yeah. She is pretty.
That's nice.
Gosh, again, look at all the detail.
Yep.
I like the little pearls.
Like a syrup cup, almost.
Oh, she's so
pretty.
cute.
How does she stay up? Oh, there we go.
I feel like I'm getting a little bit of like gravy vibes from her.
There's gravy, yeah.
From her though, but
I love that amber color.
she's beautiful.
That's pretty.
I don't know that I'm a fan of the way that they're making their arms like bulbous now, though. Mm-hmm. Do you see that? It's like very cartoony arm over on that side.
Yeah, you're right. I want some more daintiness.
Yeah, I want it daintier and like club feet. I don't know. Right. But other than that, beautiful.
Very pretty.
Very pretty.
Yeah, Pop Mart, we have some notes. Give us a call.
Yeah.
And we'll help you out.
Yeah, but really, really nice pulls. This, you guys, I don't feel like this is a series you can do bad with.
No.
It's just, they're so beautiful. There's so much going on.
This was the first time we saw this one at our Pop Mart store.
Yeah, I've never seen, well, the Feast only came out recently,
really?
So yeah, it's a new release. I think, isn't it?
I thought so.
Thought so too. You guys, we picked these up weeks ago and we're only filming it now, so we don't know what's going on at this point. I don't remember.
We had to sit on them for a minute. Those are pretty.
I do like, look at her eyeshadow though. Oh, she is eating with that makeup.
Slay.
Do you see the tiny bit of glitter up towards her forehead there too? Yep. Like just beautiful.
And her hair is
the plastic has like luminescence to it.
Yep.
Wow. So pretty.
I think I like the red one better. But
I don't know. This one's really growing on me with the pearls, but yeah, she's really cute too. So I did the water wrong, you said? Is it supposed to go down?
In the picture they had it down. It doesn't matter.
Oh, it does go down in the picture. I'm going to put it down. I don't want to do it the wrong way. Like that. It's supposed to go like that.
There we go. It's a waterbender.
Super pretty.
Awesome.
Thanks for hanging out with us, guys.